Hey everybody out there in YouTube land. So if you watched our COVID video, you noticed that in my free time I installed an air conditioner in the garage because, like I said, I'm basic and I don't like to sweat when I work. So something else that I've noticed is my 2012 Maxima daily driver air conditioner is not doing as good as it used to be. It's 8 years old, got 110,000 miles, so things are just starting to wear. So what we're going to do today is I picked up Easy Chill Auto Air Recharge Plus Leak Sealer. We're going to show you how to do this and walk you through the process and what you need. This is an all-in-one kit. You can buy the can and the hose separate or whatever. You can also buy it that's just R134a that doesn't have leak sealer or lubricant or any of that stuff in it. But this is all-in-one. This is everything you need. It's ready to go. When you get done, you just toss this. So let's go out here, open the hood up on the car, and get started. Okay guys, the first thing you're going to do after you pop your hood is identify where your high and low port pressure points are on your charging system. Okay, they will look like this. Obviously, most of them have a cap and it will actually say L or H or low or high. Some of them have it written on them, some stamped. If you don't have a cap, they are actually two different sizes, and this will only fit on one side. It will only fit on the low port. As you can see, it will not fit on the high port. Now this fitting is universal to I would say 90% of cars on the road. The only car I've ever tried to do this on that it would not fit was a Volkswagen. So Volkswagen, Audi, all those, this is different. I tried it on an Audi A4, probably about the same year as this car, and this was actually bigger. We tried it on both ports just to make sure it did not fit. So for some reason, Volkswagen's weird. I don't know if like BMW or any of the other German cars are different either, but on the Volkswagens, this is different. Okay everybody, once you've identified your port out there, next thing you need to do is go in your car, start it obviously, then put your air conditioner on high. As you can see, I've got mine full blast. Air conditioner on, and make sure it's on recirculation mode. The little inside the car, not the outside, not, you know, a busted out windshield with air just flowing through. So once that's done, we'll go back outside. Okay guys, this is our port we need. Car's running, air conditioner's on. Next thing we'll do is hook this up and see what we need. Pull this little ring back, catch it, you'll hear it click, okay? So according to this, I have some, not a lot, so it should be up to about 50 and I'm down about 30. So the next thing you want to do is, this one has a trigger. Some of them don't, some of them, as soon as you put this on, it goes. So it tells you to, as you're doing this, to watch the gauge and rotate this from 12 o'clock to 3 o'clock. So 12 o'clock is straight up and down, 3 o'clock is this way. Another bit of advice I have for you is wear gloves, because I have seen these cans start getting frost on them and you could possibly burn your skin, get uncomfortable, whatever. Just a little bit of safety advice. So what we'll do now, okay, and just start going back and forth, back and forth. Okay. Okay, check the gauge. We went up a little bit. And so on until it gets full. So here's a little something to pay attention to, guys. As you're filling it up, the compressor isn't on right now, so it's going to be maxed out on pressure. But when the compressor kicks on, as you can see, it starts creeping back down. So you need to pay attention to when you're checking this, because if you check it with the compressor on, it will always show low, but then it comes back up, as you can see. So my suggestion is to check this once you think you've got enough in, turn the air conditioner off, and that will give you an actual accurate reading. All right, so I turned the AC off, compressor's not running now, and you can see we went from below 30 to above 45, to about 45, above 40. So 50 is pegged. You're not supposed to go past 50, you're supposed to go in the yellow. So I'm about 45-ish. So I'm going to call that good. I don't want to mess around and put too much in. So I can already tell a noticeable difference in the car with the temperature. So this is all you really need, guys, to recharge your air conditioner as long as everything works. If you don't have a leak, your compressor's working, the condenser's fine, this should be all you need. Like I said, this car is getting ready to be 9 years old, so this stuff does wear out after time. It's just something that you need to change, like coolant or whatever. So literally I paid like $18 or $19 for this kit. Like I said, this is leak sealer, R134, and lubricant for the compressor. So this is all in one kit. Like I said, you can buy just R134, you can buy just leak sealer, you can buy just oil. Some people put it in, you know, ounces of this, ounces of that, but I would rather just buy this and be done. So the last step is obviously take this off and put your cap back on. And then on my car, some other cars, put this piece of plastic trim back on and you're done. So put your cap back on, it threads inside, and you are done. And now you can enjoy your air conditioner. So stay cool, everybody. And so on until it gets full.